In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your privacy settings on Telegram to enhance your security and keep your personal information safe. We'll walk through these steps using the web version of Telegram, and by the end of this guide, you'll know how to keep your phone number private and how to use a unique username for contact sharing. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Telegram website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a pretty straightforward layout that mirrors the mobile app version, making navigation feel familiar. Take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked like a hamburger. Give that a click to open up the main menu options. Now that you're in the menu, look for the Settings tab and select it. This is where you can access and modify your account preferences, ranging from basic account details to more sophisticated privacy settings. Click on Settings to open the submenu, and then navigate to the Privacy and Security section. This area is key to managing who sees your personal information. You'll find options to control who can see your last seen, profile photos, and most importantly for today, your phone number. Scroll down until you find the Phone Number section. Here, you will see an option titled Who Can See My Phone Number? The fewer people who can see your number, the better protected you are. To achieve the highest level of privacy, click on it and select Nobody. This way, your phone number stays hidden from other users, adding an extra layer of security to your Telegram interactions. With your number private, you reduce the risk of it being misused or shared without your consent. Having set your phone number to as private as possible, let's move on to creating a unique username, which you can use to share your profile instead of your phone number. Go back to the main Settings page and look for the Username option. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter a distinct username that others can use to find and contact you on Telegram. Choose something memorable yet unique. Avoid using readily identifiable personal information in your username. For instance, something like your favorite hobby or a fun alias could work well. After you've set your unique username, you'll have a personalized Telegram link. This link can be shared with others who wish to connect with you on the platform, acting as a substitute for your phone number. It's an effective way to maintain your privacy while still being accessible to trusted contacts. And that's it. We've successfully navigated through your Telegram privacy settings to protect your phone number and learned how to set up a unique username. This small change ensures that you can interact on the platform with peace of mind, knowing that your personal information is better protected. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tricks.